So like Xiaomi, as per the official posters, Oppo has also ditched the circular camera island as expected. So for the curious people, let's get into it. Hey lads, TechScanning here. So looking at the redesigned Oppo Find X9 and X9 Pro, they will feature a square-shaped raised camera island on the top left of the rear panel, like rumors and leaks were suggesting. Further, as we can see, two camera modules are circular and one in a pill shape. One of the differences between these two variants, the standard Find X9 has a flashlight on the camera island, while the X9 Pro has it outside the camera island. Moving on, you may notice that both handsets will feature a triple camera setup. However, they will have different specifications. The Find X9 will have a trio of 50 megapixel cameras, most likely wide, ultra-wide and periscope telephoto. But the Pro variant has a more powerful camera setup. It will have a 50 megapixel main and 50 megapixel ultra-wide. However, now instead of two 50 megapixel periscope sensors, it will get a new 200 megapixel periscope sensor. Also, there will be a color spectrum sensor. Anyway, the Find X9 series will come in matte titanium, frost white and matte black colors. Now, though the current renders didn't reveal the front look, but earlier Oppo had revealed both handsets will have a flat display featuring one of the slimmest bezels. As far as the display sizes is concerned, it will be the same as their predecessors. The Find X9 with 6.59 inches and the X9 Pro with 6.78 inches display. So this is how the Find X7 series will look. In terms of other specs, the Find X9 series will use Dimensity 2500, a top-end chip from MediaTek. The standard Find X9 will feature the impressive 7025 mAh of battery, while the Pro variant will pack a 7500 mAh of battery. Anyway, for the launch, Oppo has just confirmed the lineup will be announced on the 15th of October. So what are your thoughts on the redesigned Find X9 series? Drop your comments below. By the way, Xiaomi has also revealed the exciting new look of its Xiaomi 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max featuring two displays. To check it out, click here and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.